The bubble, bubbling brain.
I'm so pressured right now.
My friend Lou here.
Hi! Welcome to Cebu, here at the Big Brain. So for today's video, we are going to show you how to prepare the Tuslob Buwa. They were friends already naman sa Facebook.
No, follow how to
Ah,
social media.
I thought in social media. So let's open the butane.
Okay.
Oh, I think yours on the other side.
Say hi to my vlog.
Okay.
How do you? Oh, this way.
Uy, i-up ba siguro na
Up or down ba? Wait ha.
Sa na-fail mo na itong cooking show din
It should be down.
Down. Ayun, kaya ka-pressure rin.
So here.
Dili man na siya straight good.
Okay, so let's turn the fire low low muna. Okay, so the ingredients. So we have brain. This is the brain of pig. So this is the main ingredient, and we have seasonings, spices, onions, and garlic. Yeah, onions and garlic, and some chili. And then soy sauce, and then that's the oil.
Okay.
So let's start cooking. So let's preheat the pan.
Singa na preheat.
Yeah, preheat the pan.
Amazing.
A bit. Uy, na-off. Sorry, here. I think this is good already. Good. Yeah. So oil.
Some oil.
Yes.
Yeah, here. Put oil.
A little bit.
And then, so put first the spices. So here. Pwede?
Ano yung oil ka, Mike?
Ah. Okay. Then let's saute the spices. And it's a little bit brown.
Practice. Para magpinaghandaan.
Then we can put now the brain.
The brain.
Yeah.
What's that? Big brain.
Big brain.
So big brain.
Let's put the pig.
Okay. Then
You
mix then with soy sauce.
You're so good at this.
Okay, you put a little only. Then we can adjust the taste later.
So instead of Tuslob Buwa, we'll just order pizza.
Maybe you can put some soy sauce. Yeah. Okay. Then let's taste. So tasting time.
judges.
Yeah, the judges. So pan number 1, pan number 2, and pan number 3.
One ang kuan Tuslob Buwa. There are bubbles.
Higher my temperature.
All good here. How about yours?
You cook a little bit more.
And we have what we call this one, puso, hanging rice. Yeah. So the reason why it is called Tuslob Buwa, it's because you have to tuslo the rice to the dip here in the bubbling brain. So yeah. So here it is Tuslob Buwa.
There's bubbles.
Yeah.
Yes. What is bubbles? Okay.
Yummy!
Perfect. Try it din, Mike.
Yeah, try it.
How about yours?
Alright, let's try it.
I think that's good already.
Okay, guys, we're gonna get the puso,
Hanging rice.
hanging rice.
The puso.
I'm gonna dip it into the tuslob.
Brains. The bubbles. Bubbling brain.
Yung luing na siya lunga ka ng this is unlimited na.
Oh yeah, by the way, this is unlimited.
Rice?
Oh wow,
This one, the brain.
sarap. Wow, that's good.
Sarap.
Yeah, that's different from the time we had it the first time.
Better than the first time. They're in Colon.
No. So sarap. Thank you to our
Yes.
our host for the
Your
TV show.
Tuslob Buwa chef.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to see more of our travel videos from Cebu, Philippines, check out the links in the description down below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and share our videos. We will see you on the next one.